What's up guys, welcome to Tensef Tech YouTube channel. So let's talk about the top 5 features which next iPhone 11 will be coming in. As you guys already know that there are not much of happening for the iPhone 11 leaks, but there are still some rumors which are coming and we will be talking based on that rumors. So in case if you guys don't know, Apple will be unveiling its next iPhone 11 on September the 10th this month, and literally we have 5 days remaining regarding the release of iPhone 11, and this is a perfect time to showcase you what are the top 5 features which are coming inside the iPhone 11. So the first thing which we will be talking about is related to the rear camera. This year the iPhone has a massive upgrade on the rear side of the camera, and we will see a drastic change on the back side of the iPhone 11 camera. In previous generation we see a vertical shaped camera and a 2 camera sensor on the back side, while this year iPhone has upgraded that and now we see a square shaped camera on the back side, and Apple has added a new camera sensor inside the iPhone 11 and its shape has been changed from vertical to a square. New iPhone 11 has a triple sensor camera on the back side, and the new camera sensor which is included in the Apple iPhone 11 is a 120-degree wide angle lens, and the first time we will see a wide angle lens inside the camera of iPhones, as we already know that there are many Android devices which already implemented this technology, but as we know that Apple is slow in adopting the technology, but whenever they implement anything they are the perfect. If we look at the software side of the iPhone 11 camera, then we will also see an upgrade there as well, and we will be hearing from different rumors and leaks that we will see a new camera editing video editing application inside the iPhone 11, and it will allow in a real time to color grade as well as crop the images, which is a great feature which I will be looking at and see how it's being implemented in the iPhone 11. So the next thing which we will be talking about is the Face ID. According to rumors, and on the front side we will see a new flood illuminator sensor, and we will see that the invisible light which will impact the surrounding of the environment of Face ID will be improved, and we will see a better Face ID in this year iPhone. And the other thing which will be improved and Apple has did from the previous generation is they have also upgraded the camera sensors from the previous generation, which is 7 megapixel to a 12 megapixel in this year iPhone 11. Just because of the upgrade of this Face ID sensor, we will see a fast recognition of the Face ID even from the wide angle. We will see the Face ID will be improved even if the iPhone is lying on the table. And the number third thing which we will be talking about is the iPhone 11 new software, which is iOS 13. And as you guys know that iOS 13 has been upgraded, and there are massive features which are included inside the device, and particularly one of the main features which I personally was wanting in the iPhone 11 is the dark mode, and the new iOS 13 has delivered this, and we will see a dark mode inside the iOS 13 software. The new software will also see a new video editing ability as well, and we will edit the videos in the iPhone 11 even faster and reliable, and there will be more features including inside the editing of the iPhone 11. Along with that, we will also see that there will be a new feature which will be including inside the iPhone 11 is the audio share, which will allow us to share the same music between the two AirPods. Well, moving on, the next thing which we will be seeing that there will be an upgrade of Apple A13 chip, and we will see that it will be built on the DMC 7nm of a size, and according to the ICE Universe, A13 has a significant gain in particularly in the multi-core performance, and since is upgraded from its previous generation, we will see a particularly increase in the performance, as well as we will see it will help us in AI and augmented reality. Along with the processor, we will see that there are many complaints regarding the RAM management of the iPhone. Apple has finally listened this and finally upgraded its RAM on the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, and it has been upgraded up to the 6 GB of RAM. The last thing which we will be talking about regarding the iPhone 11 is the reverse wireless charging. So finally Apple has also implemented the wireless charging capability inside its iPhone 11, which will help many of the users to charge their phones, other phones as well, which support wireless charging. And this wireless charging, it will be a bidirectional wireless charging, which means that it can charge even the two AirPods as well on the back side of the iPhones. So this is a nice kind of a feature which Apple has been implemented. There are certainly different rumors regarding the Apple pencil as well, that Apple may include a pencil inside the iPhone 11, but there are still the rumors. We will see these things in the iPhone 11 launch, whether these things are implemented inside that or not. So I hope you enjoy this video regarding the top 5 features coming inside the iPhone 11. And if you guys like this video, so keep watching my channel and subscribe it if you like it, and share this video with your friends, families, and thanks for watching. Peace out.